Welcome to In the Zone English. Today we're going to learn another 10 collocations of take. If you have not watched my previous video, please go ahead and click up here to watch that. As a reminder, this lesson is on take collocations. Collocations are words that are commonly used together. Today, I'm going to teach you another 10 collocations of take. Make sure to follow along because this is part of a series of videos on take collocations. Now, let's get to the lesson. Collocation number 1. Take something or someone away. Take something or someone away. The police officer arrested the man for robbing the store and took him away to jail. Took him away to jail. The police officer arrested the man for robbing the store and took him away to jail. Or take something. Take something. Please take this food away. Please take this food away. I'm really full. I can't eat anymore. Please take this food away. I'm really full. I can't eat anymore. You can't eat anymore. Maybe you should have only taken a little bit of food. Collocation number 2, take a little. Take a little. You can't eat anymore. Maybe you should only have taken a little bit of food. My friend is hungry, so he took some food. Took some food. My other friend is extremely hungry, so he took a lot of food. He took a lot of food. Collocation number 3. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. When I go to my doctor and he does an examination on my body, he always tells me to take a deep breath. When I go to my doctor to do an examination, he always tells me to take a deep breath. Collocation number 4. My doctor also tells me to take my medicine because I am sick. Because I am sick, my doctor always tells me to take my medicine. Collocation number 5. Every time my mother is cooking, I take a whiff of her food. It smells so good. I take a whiff of her food. It smells so good. Collocation number 6. Take a minute. Take a minute. You have been working all day. Take a minute to relax. You have been working all day. Take a minute and relax. Collocation number 7. Take 5. Take 5. Take 5 minutes to get some fresh air. Take 5 minutes to get some fresh air. Take 5. Take 5. Collocation number 8. Take a step forward. Take a step backward. Take a step forward. Take a step backward. The police officer told the drunk man to take a step forward to check his balance. The police officer also told the drunk man to take a step backward to check his balance. Collocation number 9. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. Let's take a walk. I want to talk to you. Let's take a walk. Collocation number 10. Ring, ring, ring. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't talk right now. I really need to take this call. Ring, ring. I'm really sorry, but I can't talk right now. I really need to take this call. This concludes the lesson. We have learned another 10 collocations of take. This was part 2 of a series of take collocation videos that I will be making. So please make sure to check out my previous video that I did on take collocation, and stay tuned for part 3 and to learn more collocations with me. As always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can get more helpful videos to help you improve your English.